Right now, I'm going to give you a small idea exactly what we do here and how we do it. This is one of the recent channels that we have launched in Indore. It's called Act Showtime. We done a lot of study with other channels abroad. So this is something that we have used as a reference. This is something that iTunes have done for their advertisement. So we came up with a idea, a character who runs through the city. When he when he reach in particular areas of city, he will meet all these, different characters. One character will be dancing, people jumping and things like that. So the basic idea is to give that entertainment essence of it. So this is the software we use to create 3D scenes. It's called 3ds Max. So what we have done is we have created a character, we modeled that character, and then we given bonds to this character to attach with the mesh, and we rigged it, and then we give keyframe animations, so it will run from like this kind of motion that we have given. So we have the freedom to render this sequence from any angle that we want. From 3ds Max, we rendered this sequence in an alpha layer, and we used another software called After Effects, where we composite these scenes with all the light effects and dynamics and particular effects and everything. And the final comp is almost 200 layers. So basically, why we gone beyond that 200 layers is because Karthik was very clear that in Indore, use these elements very easily, but at the same time never compromise on the design. So we came up with an idea like we will render the sequence in RGB alpha, so it will be like very easy for them to just drag and drop. Each render was done in 32-bit to get the highest possible resolution. I'm really happy with this project because it will really compete with any channels, not only in India or in Asia, across the world. I can clearly say that without any doubts.
Hello, I am Ramanamurthy. Act City had been launched in Nellore on 17th October 2010. Before my joining, movies, songs and a program Devalayam are telecasting in Act. Present key shows in Act City Nellore are City News, City Star, Manasara, Healthline, Animuchalu, Devalayam, Subhodayam and Star Muchatlu. I made special programs on Diwali, Christmas, January 1st, Sankranti, Republic Day, Valentine's Day, Magician's Day, Tailor's Day and on Women's Day also. Within a short, I am going to launch City Sambaralu, which covers local cultural events and a cookery show also. Further, I am planning to make a public related show, Act Helpline, and a legal opinion show also. Two expensive shows are not my concept. I am discussing with ad team about my shows to get ads and sponsors. My target is that total Nellore district should be covered in Act City. Act City should become #1 channel. Now I am feeling happy to continue with Act, whereas I am getting job satisfaction much. Thank you.